Welcome to Swa World. Today I'm going to show you how to make this egg drop curry. This is how it looks like and it's a very yummy egg recipe. So let's quickly go the ingredients we need for it. First we'll need some eggs and onions, green chilies, curry leaves, some cilantro, tomatoes, and we also need some spices like garam masala, turmeric, cumin powder, chili powder, coriander powder, some salt and some ginger garlic paste. Take a wide pan like this and put some oil and let it heat up. Just added a cinnamon stick and cloves. Next add green chilies. Add onions and curry leaves, salt, turmeric. Fry these onions until they turn golden brown color. It's fried now, so let's add some ginger garlic paste, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. Fry these for a minute. Now add the tomatoes. Some garam masala. Beat the eggs and drop them like that. Keep the stove in a low flame and leave the eggs as it is. Don't mix them. Now cover this with a lid and let the eggs cook. This is how the eggs would look like after some time. At this stage, you can flip them. I flipped all the eggs. Now cover this with a lid and let it cook for some more time. Check on your eggs in between. As you can see, the oil would ooze out like that. At this stage, flip them one more time. Let this cook for 2 more minutes and then we'll turn it off. Now the egg drop curry is ready. Just garnish it with some cilantro and you can eat this with rice or chapati or rotis. So do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching.